Kumikita ka, pero lifestyle ang umuubos. Nagtataka ka ba kung bakit ang business mo ay busy pero ikaw mismo ay walang ipon? Nakaka-relate ka ba? Kasi ganito rin ang nangyari kay Raymond at saka kay Ann. They run a cleaning services company and they serve residential and commercial clients. For the first 2 years, they were careful with money. They drove a simple car, they lived simply, then the business started growing. More clients came in, kaya revenue doubled. So, Raymond upgraded their service vehicle. Si Ann naman renovated their small office. They started eating out more. Bumili sila ng bagong gadgets for the business. Pero pati personal gadgets kasama na rin. Kaya naman natin they told each other. But they were not separating personal spending from business spending. The business account was also their personal account. So, when a big client delayed payment for 2 months, nako, they were caught off guard. Hindi sila ready. They had to borrow money to cover payroll for their cleaners. Kaya Raymond was super frustrated. Dami naman nating clients. Bakit walang pera? But the answer was simple. Yung lifestyle nila grew faster than their profits. They were spending based on revenue, not based on what was actually left after expenses. Ang lesson, huwag mong gastusin ang kita na hindi mo pa nakukuha. When your personal lifestyle grows based on how busy you are and not on actual profit, you will always feel broke no matter how many clients you have. And that's the hard truth, anak. So, I hope these stories made you stop and think for a moment. Because raising your prices is not wrong. But if that's your only answer every time your profit feels small, baka may mas malalim na problema. Baka hindi mo nakikita ang lahat ng gastos. Baka pinamigay mo ang margin mo nang hindi mo namamalayan. Baka naman ang lifestyle mo ang kumakain sa negosyo mo. Or baka kayo ng partner mo, pareho kayong nagtatrabaho ng sobra pero walang malinaw na usapan tungkol sa pera. Itong mga problemang to, they don't fix themselves, And they don't go away just because your sales are going up. In fact, the more your business grows, the bigger these problems become if you don't see them now. So, ask yourself tonight, do you truly know where every peso goes in your business? Not just the big expenses, but all of it. Kasi kapag malinaw ang numbers, malinaw ang decisions. Kaya, tandaan always be business-minded, Pinoy.